You are the robot who assisted me in my escape from Nefarious. What is your name?
My name? Yes, of course. Sigma 0426A. But you can call me Sigmund. I'm junior caretaker here at the Great Clock.
Forgive me, but what is the Great Clock?
Come here! We're late! Come! We don't have a lot of time! Figuratively speaking, of course.
Where is everyone?
Not really sure. Nefarious and his troops just picked up and left after that butler guy tossed you into the hall. Not a very pleasant lot, are they?
No, not very pleasant at all. May I ask what the purpose of this facility is?
This place? Oh, this is the universe's greatest contingency plan. Come, Ormus is waiting. Oh, come on! Stupid hypersonic brainwave scrambler. People wonder why we keep this place a secret.
Access denied. Senior personnel only.
Open your optical drive. This is senior personnel. I'm with XJ0461. While you're unconscious, I took the liberty of installing a quantum actuator into your circuitry. It allows you to create multiple selves.
Multiple selves?
How else would we get anything done around here? Just record your actions using the time pads and initiate them while the present you moves on to do other things. Time pads can be a little tricky. Let me show you how they work. First, stand on the time pad. Then, initiate temporal recording. Now I'll just open the door and end temporal recording. Now, when I start recording on the second pad... Look, sir, that's me! Now all I have to do is wait for me to open the door for myself. Ta-da! Now I can get through the door. Pretty sweet, huh? Go ahead, sir. Give it a try.
Temporal recording initiated.
Now, activate the other time pad and have your
Temporal
open the door for
recording
you.
initiated.
What an ingenious security device. Did you design it?
Are you kidding? Ormus was the smart one. Time pads will also let you record over your past selves. That way you can do everything they did and more. First, initiate recording and open that chamber door. Then, while the chamber is open, end recording. Next, we'll start recording on the second time pad. When your past self opens the chamber, step inside and open the door. Now, end recording. Okay, here's the tricky part. Since the past self holding the door open is inside the chamber, you'll have to re-record over your other self in order to exit. Open the chamber to let your past self in. Then when he opens the exit, you're free to go. Give it a try, sir.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Brilliant, sir. Follow me. Orgus was right. You're gonna do just fine. Race into the mnemonic chamber. Oh, come on. I just fixed that. Whoa. Here we are. So, are you ready to meet Orgus?
I am ready.
Access granted. Welcome to Mnemonic Station Beta.
Where is Orvis?
He of course. Locked away on a secret partition in your memory banks. Dr. Nefarious spent over a year trying to hack in. I have to deactivate your neural safeguards and send you into your own subconscious. Hop in!
XJ0461, and welcome to your subconscious. I am Orvis, and I've been anticipating your return for quite some time.
I do not understand. Have I been here before?
You didn't think your soul came from a robot factory, did you? I created you. Oh, you must have a lot of questions, but first, I have a present for you. Off we go. We have lots to do if you're going to take over my work.
Are you really my father?
No, my dear boy. I am a program, a digital simulation of the real Orvis, installed the day you were born in Solana. But don't worry, I know all his old jokes. Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That chronoceptor can be used to create time bombs. Try using them to get across to the other side. Bravo, XJ0461, bravo! Each bomb contains enough quantum energy to slow down time for just a few moments. Quantum energy is quite unstable, so only one bomb may be thrown at a time. If you come across a broken object, simply strike it with your chronoceptor. It should revert back to the way it was. Go on, give it a try. Good form, XJ0461. You're doing quite well. Now, on to lesson 2.
What is lesson 2? Temporal manipulation via faster than light particle acceleration?
Actually, I'm going to teach you how to hit things with a big stick. From time to time, various creatures find their way into the clock. A good caretaker protects the equipment at all costs.
Yes, but what does the equipment do?
All in good time, my son. Now, think of someone you wouldn't mind bonking on the head. Perhaps a buffoon who has made life difficult for you in the past. Wonderful! But you can do better than that. Good form, my son. Now, do as the kids say and lay the smack down. I think you're ready for a bit more. You're good. Keep going. Just like that. Well done. You certainly cleaned that clock. Did you see what I did there? Oh my. You've done wonderfully, my son. I know you're going to take good care of this place.
Where will you be? This is your facility.
No, my dear boy, it's your facility. The great clock and everything in it, I now leave to you. Watch over it and protect it. Fulfill your destiny, XJ0461. Program terminated.
Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard.
Sigmund, what happened to the real Orvis?
He said it's a secret. And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Yes, sir. station room that will tell you everything you need to know about the Great Problem. It's also great for watching that, too. Watch out, sir! Terratropes! Terratropes are nasty little creatures. They feed on quantum energy, so they can see your past selves. Lousy hypersonic. Nicely done, sir. I would have helped you out, but I'm not exactly what you call a fighter. Looks like the hollow bridge is out. You may have to find another way across. Your past selves can throw time bombs too. Just remember, only one can exist at a time. It's for your own sake.
Initiated.
Shoot! I said shoot! Be gone! Vamos! Disappear!
Temporal recording initiated.
Terratropes! Keep them away from your past self! You're getting pretty good at this, sir. I hate you, hypersonic brainwave scrambler, and I'm coming for you. Not now, mind you, but soon, after I take karate lessons, and I'm just saying you're on my list, pal.
Sigmund, I believe it is gone.
That's right.
Temporal
Run
recording
away.
initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Whoa! Even Orbis had trouble with that one once. Ah, crud, this one looks like a doozy. Computer, can you shut down the gears in Sector 3?
Negative. But I will cross my fingers for you.
Stupid, sarcastic, outdated piece of...
I heard that. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Unauthorized sonic device has breached monitoring station Zulu.
That was incredible! You should have your own theme music. I can trail behind you, you know, like... Thanks for the kind caretaker.
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device on approach.
Sir, watch out! It's the hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device in Sector 3.
Here it comes!
Your time has come, hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Let us dance.
Stupid brainwave scrambler! Do you know who you're messing with? What? Yeah! Kick his butt, sir! Watch out, sir! Terratropes! Here it comes!
Your time has come, hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Let us dance.
Watch out, sir! He's using the sonic processor! out, sir! Watch out, sir! Terror troops! Try jumping, sir! There's more momentum with the chrono center!
Hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Scramble.
That was amazing, sir! You think you could show me how to fight like that one day?
Let's try this again! Night of the Living Squishies, Act 3, Scene 4. Ready on set?
I should never have quit dental school.
And action! You'll never take me alive, Quack! Time is under my control!
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
Silly me, sir. I just thought it prudent to tell you Clank is en route to the Orvis chamber. Sir.
Splendid! The moment we've been waiting for is now! Now, if there's nothing else to discuss!
There is one small matter.
I don't have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
I know, Lamb. I was in that tribe of gypsy ninjas.
They can't be allowed to meddle in our plans! Track them down and annihilate them!
Very good, sir. In the meantime, might I suggest engaging with safety so as not to kill any more troops?
It's not even loaded, you moron! Look!